In this video, we'll go through the SeedScope valuation report page by page and highlight what investors actually look for when reviewing it. The executive summary gives investors a quick understanding of what the company does and the market it operates in. Investors look here to assess market size, growth potential, sector risks, and whether the startup is positioned in a scalable, attractive space. This section helps answer the question, is this a market worth investing in? Here, investors see a high-level view of the startup's strengths, weaknesses, and current valuation. They look for strong differentiation, defensible advantages, and whether the valuation is justified given the team, traction, and risk profile. Now, this page explains how the valuation and ROI multiplier are calculated. Investors care about transparency here, understanding that the valuation is based on real data, risk coefficients, and market benchmarks. This makes the number easier to trust and defend. Next are the total score and risk coefficient. Investors use this to quickly assess overall startup quality and downside risk. A strong score combined with low-risk signals, execution strength, and maturity. This is one of the most important sections for investors. It shows possible future outcomes from seed stage to Series A, Series B+, and even unicorn scenarios, along with probabilities. Investors use this to understand upside potential and realistic growth paths. The pros and cons section highlights what strengthens and challenges the investment case. Investors look here to see how self-aware the team is and whether risks are acknowledged. Founders should use this to prepare answers and show readiness. This page places the startup within its competitive landscape. Investors want to see that the company understands its competitors, differentiation, and broader sector dynamics. This helps validate positioning and long-term defensibility. That's how to read and use your SeedScope valuation report. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.